Asunto-osakeyhtiö Hervannan Heikki.
It's also very nice today on the 24th of July 2024. We have Insinöörinkatu 54 sticky say. And unfortunately the ticket speed is badly replaced already.
Yeah. I
think it has 9 floors already.
Yeah.
But I don't know if it's...
Maybe.
But 8, yeah. I'm not sure if it was built in 2001, but this style already.
Yeah.
The serial number here is 2070. You have the X8 version of associated aircrafts. Still got 2 rides because the other one was replaced.
Yeah.
And there's the Schindler logo by the door, right?
Yeah.
No, error. But it's 8 floors.
Is Tittbackgeweist maintained by Schindler?
Yes. I thought there were 9 floors, but there are...
Yeah, now it's going to stop at 6.
Yeah, too bad. We got one for the ride.
Yeah.
Menettekö te alas?
Joo.
Mä menen alas,
Okei.
joo.
Tää ei tuosta ulkoa päin näytä.
No, siellä ei ole kerrosta näyttää.
Joo.
Vai sisällä on.
Ilma loppuisi. Joo.
Ei ole ilmastointia täällä.
Ei taida olla.
That's